Hi guys. So tonight we are using Christina Welch's Pourage Posse Paint, and I'm using 6 of her colors, plus a DecoArt's Metallic Sapphire, as well as the Extreme Sheen Gold. And with these, I'm also going to give a try and add some Interference Green by Golden. All of my paints are mixed with mix. And that is a 7-to-1 ratio. And go from there. So let's go over the colors. We're going to be using some Deep Lagoon, which is right here. Beautiful, beautiful emerald light green. Almost, I would say, pretty darn close to maybe Mysterious, but the Moody Blue is a cross between it too, and that is right here. So I suppose it depends on which way you want to go, lighter or darker. I also have Snow White and Iridescent Pearl Paint, Copper Penny, and those are here, the Snow White and the Copper Penny. And I'm using Lemon Lime Shimmer, which is a beautiful, lovely, lovely color. I love a nice chartreuse style green, and I think this one really knocks it out of the park. I'm also using Beach Retreat Shimmer, which is a nice aqua color. And then this is the Interference Green. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer off of that. And then I also have the DecoArt Metallic Sapphire right here. So we are, oh, and the 24K, that too. Okay, so those are the paints that I'm using, and I love their her paints. Very creamy and rich in color. They don't fade when you mix them with your medium, which really just is the best. So like I said, a 7-to-1 ratio with mixed pouring medium. And yeah, we're going to do a dustpan pour and go from there. So we all know what's entailed in a dustpan pour, but this time I'm doing a diptych, and I'm gonna have to adjust the canvases once I get this poured and move them a little bit this way. You know, just so that everything's balanced out. So I am going to start layering my cup, and my cups are green because they were out of the clear ones, but we are good to go. And I think what we're gonna do is start with a little bit of gold. I don't want to overpower the center ring. And we're gonna go in with the Iridescent Snow White, the pearl, and we'll do the Interference Green after that. We'll see how that works. I'm gonna come in with the Moody Blue. And hop on in with this beautiful lemon lime color. Let's do some of the Snow White. And some gold. I don't want to do too much. Coming in with the Lagoon color. Right with the aqua. Next, let's do this Copper Penny color, because aqua and copper look really nice next to each other. I'm not forgetting it, but here comes the sapphire. A little thick, but we'll give give a little drizzle in there. Maybe for some cell effect. I think that's all we're going to use of that because it's really thick. Come in with the interference green. The gold, maybe a splash of copper. Let's see here. Interference. And we'll top it off with the gold. So those are the colors that I'm going to be working with. We've got our cup layered. And what I'm going to do is our negative space on this piece is actually going to be Moody Blue, but it is a slightly different color because I added Deep Turquoise by Liquitex along with a little bit of Anthraquinone Blue Fluid paint by Golden. So it is a little bit different color, but that's okay. I sort of wanted possibly something else. So let's move these over just a smidge because I do want to get them as close together as possible. And I think I'm actually going to make them touch to get the dustpan portion over it. Yeah. All right. So we have a lot of exciting stuff coming up. A few collabs also in the works. And I'm really excited about them. And I hope you guys continue watching until those days happen. So I'm just gonna pause you for a minute. Okay. I'm actually gonna do it this way because I'm right-handed. Eek. All right, got some pretty colors in that cup. I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but I really love this area. Oh, all of it, I guess. I love it all. What don't I love, you know? I always say I love things, so why not? think what I'm going to do is actually drag it this way because there's a lot of white here and I don't want that all over the blue. I actually want these other colors integrated into it. Another air bubble. That's not gonna pop. We don't want to burn the paint. So we're gonna come do this edge also. All right, here we go. All right. So what I'm going to do here is pull this back a bit so that we can let those sides hopefully get moving. And we are going to, this is quite a different process because it's a diptych. So I'm only working with minimal space. Just a little bit. I can paint those edges too eventually if I wanted to, so it's not really a requirement, but it does make them look sort of cool. I'm gonna go this way. And come back this way. Do you like the dip there? I'm gonna come over this back edge because there really isn't any paint on the back edge. I love the greens. This is really, really pretty. I think I'm just gonna leave it right like that for now. All right, now for this one, because obviously I can't pour them at the same time. Or, well, I did pour them, but you know what I mean. I can't tip them at the same time. So I'm gonna come off this edge a bit. I'm gonna come down. Oh yeah. I think this will be it. So what we'll do, it's almost like I want to open up this area a little more. because of all of this. So let me see where my paint is resting here. All right, I'm gonna come off just a smidge. So my paints are fairly happy right where they are. So yes, I think I'm going to have to I'm sorry you guys can't see right now, but I'm really trying to move this paint, and I gotta be at a certain, I think, a 90-degree angle at this point to move it. It's really, really happy where it's at. And don't get me wrong, I do like the final bit. So I am gonna keep it just as is. And we're gonna bring you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, here we are. I love it, but I'm biased too, so all right, so it's good to be back and pouring again. Just trying to hang in there like everybody else in the world. And I think these greens against this moody blue is just beautiful. I'm super happy with the outcomes with mix. I mean, look at all those translucent layers in there. And the shimmer you can see in the upper left as I move with the light. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I'll be touching up the interior edges in this back edge right here. I'll probably just paint them moody blue. Anywho, folks, thank you so much for watching. Let me come around this way so you can see the two together. There we go. I think that'll do it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and stay safe and healthy. Bye.